There is one more way through which you don't have to install Python, you don't have to do anything, and it will run your code. Ideally, that is not a preferable approach because if you are not understanding how the Python is installed, how the things are there. But if you really don't want to do much of hard work, it's a good for you. So Google has provided its own notebook which runs on the Google Cloud itself and on Google engine, and it's basically known as Google Colab notebook. Okay. And if you click here on this Google Colab notebook, this is basically the exactly the same. And you don't here you don't have to install Python or do anything. It will automatically perform the task and do the activities for you. Okay, means you can write the Python directly here without installing it in your system, and all these codes will be shared in your Google Drive with the folder named as Colab Notebooks. With the folder named as Colab Notebooks, all these files will be shared there in your Drive. It will be automatically saved. So you can go ahead and you can locate it in Drive. You can upload any notebook. You can use this. You can save a copy in GitHub, and lot of features are there with this also. It has its own engine. It has its own everything. So you don't have to worry about all those that what to. Now it's completely your choice and that whatever you want to prefer. So I would say you can go for the notebook also. You can go for the PyCharm IDE also. Whatever you want to do, environment you want to run, it you can run it.